Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger not sending pictures. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to update your Messenger application. As you can see, my Messenger is up to date. Then you simply need to go back and open any browser and check your internet speed. So make sure that you have a good internet connection. So sometimes this issue happen due to poor internet connection, and you also need to check that is Messenger down. So sometimes Messenger servers are down and you can check from here. So if you see a major spike here, so it means that Messenger servers are down and Facebook team is working to fix that issue. And after that, you simply need to open settings of your smartphone, go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Messenger. Click on that, and here you need to click on storage and cache, and you need to clear cache, and after that you need to reinstall Messenger application again. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.